Hello guys, my name is Ram Gupta and I will show you how to hack Pokemon Go. First, you to go Play Store and type Go GPS. You see this APK you install in your device. On this APK only work in two Android version, like one Lollipop and two Marshmallow. Okay, and I have already installed this APK and I will open it and I live in India, but he is see San Francisco. Okay, you see San Francisco, and I click play button. You choose only one walk or walk plus pocket sniper. I will choose walk. Okay, and you see this joystick and the pocket and I have started the Pokemon Go this game. Pokemon Go is few minutes to start. This is and the Pokemon Go is starting. Counting 3, 2, 1. Started and you click OK and you see I have in front San Francisco and I'm go anywhere. The joystick I up to he walk in up side, I walk down and he walk down side, and the two options are up side, one multiple one and second location. I choose multiple one. The speed is increasing in two more time, and second time type your speed is increasing in third time. You see the speed is very fast speed. And I go anywhere and I catch all Pokemon. Or you see my Pokédex. I complete all Pokédex with this APK. You will complete your Pokédex with this APK. Thank you for watching my video and please like this video. Thank you.